Hello, in this video we'll be showing you how to properly load designs from a USB onto your machine. So to begin, we'll need to navigate over to our menu icon down on the bottom right hand side of the panel, and from here we'll click on our option on the top left that says Read. From here, we'll need to get our USB with either a DST or a TAP file format and place it either in the front of the machine or one of the two USB slots on this side. From there, after a little bit of time, we'll notice the USB icon has lit up. So we'll go ahead and click on that and it will continue to read the USB. After a little bit, it'll load every single design we have on the USB and it'll show it to us by name. Now from here, I have this feature that says off. If I click on it, it'll give me a preview image of what or how the design looks, along with the design name, the stitch count, how many colors, and the size of the design. From here, we'll click on whatever design it is we want to load into the machine. If you followed along with one of the previous videos and you change some of your settings to allow you to choose the group, this menu will pop up as soon as you click on the design. If not, your design will automatically be loaded into the group main or the first folder on the machine. But if you have this setting turned on, we can choose anything from our first group down to our last group to load the design into. Such as 11, it'll read, it'll pull the design off of the USB, and from here it brings us right back to the same page, so I can click and load as many designs as I would like into the machine.